Hello viewers, welcome back to online learning of 25 tools of lean manufacturing. We have already covered 8 waste and 5 S in earlier videos. Subscribe to channel and get all updates to learn new tools for your career growth. Today's topic is Kaizen. Kaizen as organizational concept was coined by Masaki Imai, a renowned Japanese organizational theorist and management consultant mainly in field of quality management. Kaizen is a Japanese term combination of two words, kai and zen, meaning change and good. So, Kaizen is change for betterment, or better saying, uplifting the set bar or standard. It is also used as a tool to develop culture of continuous improvement. To understand Kaizen better, let's consider this plate as present standard level or current bar. Now, there can be a time that if bar is not maintained well or not taken care of, it can fall down to a reduced level. Activities performed to improve reduced level back to earlier standard level is not Kaizen but Fugai handling. Fugai is another Japanese term meaning abnormality, and Fugai handling or correction is oftenly considered wrongly as Kaizen. Kaizen is actually improving the current standard level of any operation or process to an improved level, creating a new benchmark or setting the bar at next level. Next point is how Kaizen is embedded as part of organization to develop a culture of continuous improvement. It is adopted by doing small incremental improvements continuously in all areas of company by all employees. It is expected that when any employee faces any trouble or limitation while doing his work, he should stop and think on how to overcome limitation. He should also include others to help him doing same. They should then suggest solution for improving situation and implement best decided solution. This here is working principle we spoke earlier in brief about Kaizen. Start with creating solution teams to involve employees and having positive competitiveness. Let them find limitations or better say opportunity in existing working. Think of root level problem causing the limitation and create a solution to overcome it. Test the proposed solution or multiple solutions to validate they will work or not, or which will work the best. Assess the results whether solution helps overcoming the limitation. If yes, standardize the solution state and bar is increased. Continue this process in all areas of company regularly. Sharing an example, there was a problem a company was facing. Its customer reported pallet of material falling whenever shipped container was opened. It used to happen twice or thrice a year, but costing a lot to company. Every time a pallet falls, material can't be used and costing $2,000 worth of scrap. Additional, it was a safety hazard in case pallet falls on any person opening container. This was causing grave annoyance in customer team about this company. So a team was formed to overcome situation. Team studied and found root level problem in packing mode of pallet in container. Containers were packed with putting pallet one over other but were not strapped with each other. This can cause structure to go imbalanced during transportation if major turbulence is caused. Less filled the container, more the possibility of causing damage. Team counteracted this with implementing solution. Pallets were strapped to each other and full body was strapped further to container to increase robustness and rigidity of entire stock inside container. This Kaizen costed just $500 for whole year, and with no incidents for whole year, it covered $6,000 loss they were facing a year earlier. The company management as well as customer got happy. So to summarize and share benefits of why Kaizen is adopted globally today are: it gives any organization a competitive advantage over its competitor by having better process or efficient process. Kaizen helps develop problem-solving skills of employees by encouraging grassroots thinking. Kaizen provides with a never-ending journey to improvement. It helps develop a solution-driven culture, increasing positivity and productivity of employees. By working in team to achieve something, it enhances team building and productivity. Last but not the least, it improves people's creativity by coming up with out-of-box solution. So this complete our video on Kaizen. Hope you got it well and will start practice it to check the benefits. Like the video and subscribe to channel to continue your learning. Next video will be on Pokayoke. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.